It snowed this morning and last night, so it's a little bit late. It's after 12 o'clock. I had to walk my dogs and bring them in, and then I came out here to feed these beautiful birds and the squirrels. Yeah, I want to make sure they have food and stuff. They're so grateful. Look at them. I put them all along the other side as well. And over here, you can see a little squirrel too. And the birds over here too. It's not a lot of snow out, but it's enough. And yeah, my dogs didn't do well outside today in certain areas because of the snow, the salt. So I just made sure Mimi's walk was extra short and Charlie's walk was just short. All right, guys.